We're in the middle of a blizzard. My cough has gotten so bad, and I sprained my leg over the weekend, so I called work last night and told them I couldn't go because probably would have fallen on my ass in this weather with a bad leg. So, yep, I think the whole United States is kind of getting this bad weather. Anyway, that's just the way we had to take a migraine pills, so I'm gonna go lay down. I hope everybody has a good day. Somebody's meowing. What? Yeah, I know you want to go outside, but no. Meow. I've stopped giving her canned food until her salmon comes back because she's been throwing up too much. So, see y'all later. Bye.